What we want to do with Young Innovators as a whole is to start to unlock fully the potential that we have for young people to contribute to innovation across the UK. So we want young people from all sorts of different backgrounds to actively start contributing to innovation in a more meaningful way than we have seen in the past. We know that there are barriers to people getting involved in innovation. And for people that have decided to get involved in innovation, we know that there are barriers for them being successful. Gender, ethnic background, whether or not a person is disabled, these things matter, and so does an education background, socioeconomic background, and actually where you live in the UK also has a part to play. So what we want to do is break down those barriers that we see, and we want to create a UK where actually there are no limits to a career in innovation.